I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family.
When you realize you forgot to bring your face mask to shop at a store that requires a face covering, you may be able to use something you are wearing to make a mask. To use this long-sleeved shirt, start putting it on, but the neck opening should be placed around your head. That is, one end on top of your head and one end under your chin. Use the sleeves to cover your nose and mouth, wrap around, and tie a knot behind your neck. Tuck the shirt body into the nose area so that you have plenty of layers of filtering. For this buttoned shirt, button the top button so that the shirt can sit on your head. Button another button under your chin. Wrap the sleeves around your nose and mouth and tie a knot behind your head. For the remaining shirt part, cross the opposite corners and tie another knot in the back if they are long enough, or in the front if not. This small t-shirt and the large t-shirt don't have long sleeves to tie, so I developed the following method. For a small t-shirt, I assume the neck opening is big enough to have one end on top of your head and one end under your chin. Reverse one sleeve to go through the neck opening. Now you have two circles. The small sleeve circle is inside the larger neck circle. Place the t-shirt in front of you. Put the neck and sleeve circles together in front of your head. One end of the neck circle on top of your head and one end under your chin. The small sleeve circle will become the window for your eyes, but you still need to shape it. Pull the sleeve a bit higher than your eyes while keeping the neck circle unchanged. Roll the sleeve inward to create a larger and better window, though it is probably still not quite big enough. The sleeve opening is still partially covering your eyes. Use the remainder of the shirt to tuck into the bottom of the sleeve circle, thus pulling down the edge and opening your eye window just right. For this large t-shirt, reverse one sleeve to go through the neck opening. Instead of placing the t-shirt in front of you, start with the t-shirt over to one side. Pull the neck and sleeve circles over your head. The small sleeve circle is still the window. Shape the eye window by rolling the sleeve inward. Since you have more material to tuck, you wind the shirt body around the back of your neck and bring it to the front, then tuck into the eye window, thus pulling it down and opening it a bit more. If the t-shirt is really large and the sleeve circles are very large, you may need an alternative. Put one sleeve into the other. Hold the t-shirt horizontally. Put your head through the sleeve halfway. The neck opening is not used in this method. The two sleeves together make the eye window. Wrap the remaining t-shirt body around the back of your neck and tuck into the sleeve. If you don't even have a t-shirt, you can use a shoelace, tie it like this, and then you can stuff any fabric you have into the shoelace loops. Please check out our other videos that compare the filtering performance of multiple layers of fabric against an N95 mask. You probably have seen many DIY videos of cutting t-shirts to create masks. That is wasteful. Our methods do not cost you any money, and you can wash and continue to wear your shirts later. I just want to remind you though, your hands, your shirt, and your face should be clean before you DIY a mask. Check my other videos on washing your hands correctly and shopping safely.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.